Today, I'm going to show you how to use Dailymotion Partner HQ. Dailymotion Partner HQ is a dashboard where you can manage your channel of Dailymotion. If you are a new channel on Dailymotion, you need to first of all apply for the partner. To do that, you need to head over to the profile icon on the top right and head over to Studio. Now, because I've already joined the Dailymotion Partners, I don't see this option, but if you haven't, on the bottom left of the screen, you'll have the option called Become a Partner. You can just click on that button and accept the terms and conditions, and you'll quickly become a partner as well. Now, once you become a partner, what you can do is manage videos and look at your analytics and the monetization of your Dailymotion studios. You can easily upload your videos through this section. You can click on add video and upload any video that you like. You can head over to playlists and create playlists so that other people visiting your channel can view your videos easily. Now, the other thing that you can do is manage your channel by clicking on the settings icon on the top right and heading over to account. This way, you'll be able to change your username and your profile name along with the profile image that is visible on your channel. So if you click on the username option, you can remove the existing username that is given to you by default. You can remove this and add in a new one. You can do the same with your profile as well, and also add in a bio so that other people know what kind of videos you exactly post. Similarly, you can also change in your profile picture by clicking on upload image and then select a image that you like to add in as your profile picture. Once you're done, click on save on the top right. Now, the other section that you can view inside of partners or the studio of Dailymotion is the analytics tab. On the left hand side, if you click on analytics, it lets you view the entire data that you have on your channel. If you click on overview, you can see the number of views, the total hours watched, the video through rate, and your estimated earnings of this video. Similarly, you can also view the performance, the followers data, and the engagement data. Because this is a new channel, I don't have much data on yet, but if you have a decent number of views, you will see a lot more data than I am currently seeing. So that's pretty much it on how you use the Dailymotion Partner HQ. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.